Hello everybody, so this here is my Xbox 360 and I'm going to get rid of it. Yep. And not because I don't like it, I love this system. The problem is, one, I can play it on the Xbox One. Yeah, that makes sense. I can play it on the Xbox One, so there's not really a use for it. And also, I want another console. That's the problem. Now, I don't want to get rid of this because I absolutely love the 360. The only reason I'm getting rid of it is so I can get another console. Now, I went for the Xbox or my PS3 any day. But I need the PS3 so I can transfer PS1 games to my PSP. And also, I want the Xbox One because, well, original Xbox backwards compatibility. Which is why I'm getting rid of it. Now, don't think that I don't like this system. I love it. I've had a lot of good times with it. But it's about time that I got rid of it. I've been holding on to it for way too long, and I barely ever play it anymore. So, yeah. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell it with the power adapter, pretty much everything. And that'll pretty much be the end of it. Again, I'm sad that I have to let go of it, but it's not the end of the world. Now first, I need to clean it, which is what I'm about to show you, so give me a second. This is all I need: a toothbrush, Q-tips, and rubbing alcohol. Now we're going to start with taking off the face plate. This is pretty simple. Just get your hand right there, pull out, done. Here's the faceplate itself. Now if you want to, you can soak it, which is not what I'm going to do. It takes too much time. Here's the front part. Pretty nice. Yeah, let's take that off. It's not. Okay, so here's the USB ports. Here's the power button. Here's those. I don't remember what they're called. Here's the port where you put in your discs. There's my hard drive. And here's the top. To take off this one takes a little longer. It's a little harder to pull up. 1 second. There we go. It's off. And here's the top. Now, I've already cleaned this several times before, but you still might as well give it a cleaning. Probably gonna sell this for maybe $50. I don't know. It depends if we turn it into our retro game store. That's not really close to us, but that we go to frequently. Isn't it surprising how effective the toothbrush is? So yeah. Right there you can see some crap. The only reason I'm really doing the cleaning is because you can sell it for more. Not really, I just feel like cleaning it. There's something in the X. I don't know what it was. Okay. Alright, guess this one I'll have to do. It's a microfiber cloth. This is one that I used a lot. These clean so well that I would recommend it for any condition. For any. They mainly work well for picking up dust. And anyone that's wondering where my opening a Game Boy video is, I will be starting that right after this. Now, when we flip it on the side, you can see that. We're going to see if we can get that off. So yeah, let's figure that out. Don't want a lot. I just put it on a little bit. So yeah, let's get to scrubbing. Okay, I'm gonna look at this for a few minutes. So yeah, I am getting rid of this to make room for a new console. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a PS2. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll get a PS2, Super Nintendo, Genesis, Saturn. Or maybe I'll get an Nomad. I'm not sure what I'll get. Okay, after a few minutes of scrubbing, you can see that's gone. That's why I recommend these so much. They work so well. So yeah, also, let me give you a tour of what's on the back. So right here we got Ethernet, right here we got USB, we got HDMI, we got AV out, then we got the power. Okay. I'm actually pretty sure I'm rubbing alcohol, so yeah. As you can see, there's some dots there. I don't know what that is. Let me try to get it off. Nothing happened. Okay, so it turns out that I can't get that off. What's that? It looks like candle wax. I know, came off. And so on the bottom, there's another one. Just simply pull out and it'll come out. I'm pretty much doing a deep cleaning of this. Well, as deep as I can really go. Because I don't have the right tools to actually get into the system. It's always nice. And for anyone who actually owns an Xbox 360 like this, you can poke Q-tips into the holes, like into these holes, and you can get in at the fans to get off as much dust as possible. Trust me, that helps a lot. And if you have the right tools, you can go inside of the system and do an even deeper cleaning. I don't have the tools for that. So I just gotta stick with whatever I can do. Now there is certain ways that you put on tabs, but they're pretty obvious. The one on the bottom isn't so obvious. But yeah. Please go back on. What? Oh, my bad. Okay, well, now I'm slightly cleaning my 360. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this soon, sadly. Thanks for watching and goodbye.